Ladakh, the land of high passes, lies in the northernmost region of India. It is located on the old Silk Road, a place with unique culture and humble people.
I'm Kausar Rizvi. I am the coordinator and for the Art of Living programs in Ladakh, and I'm a facilitator of the program as well. I also work as an educator in the school. Art of Living Foundation, as we all know, the vision of Gurudev and the Art of Living as an organization is to reach to every individual, every remote nook and corner of this world with its projects, its knowledge. So Ladakh being one of the most beautiful, most close to nature in the lap of Himalayas, but also a remote border area. Art of Living has reached to this place as well, and we are doing our projects in the remotest corner of Ladakh. One of the very important projects by Art of Living was digital literacy program that we did with our partner organizations, and under this project we established smart classrooms in many schools. Most of the schools were located in the border area of Chapthang, which is very close to the line of actual control, and in many other villages. These smart classrooms we had not just the equipments but also the material by the Byju's, which could be accessed by teachers as well as students. So these smart classrooms actually brought a very different, fresh and exciting perspective to these organizations. A student could actually take a lot of benefit from it. And most important thing was it was solarized. All the smart classrooms were solar powered, so electricity was not an issue for this. We had a plantation project signature, which was done by the Art of Living in collaboration with SIDBI. So here in this project we planted thousands of trees as well as medicinal plants, and financial support was given to the stakeholders and the people who had planted, the organizations who had planted, the farmers who had planted. They were given the support to take care of those plants, and regularly we had monitored the growth of those plants and how the whole project was going on. So it was one of the very unique projects done by the Art of Living.
मैं योना पलजर हूँ। मैं यहाँ शे में एक फार्मर हूँ। तो मैंने आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के साथ ये एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था। प्रोजेक्ट में प्लांटेशन था विलो एंड पॉपुलर ट्रीज़ का।
जुले, मेरा नाम श्री शुष्की दे, मैं खरू विलेज का हूँ। हम लोग ने पहले सब्जी, प्याज, गोभी ऐसे लगाता था। इस साल हमने हार्ड के थोड़ा आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग की तरफ से हमें मदद मिला था।
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर पद्मा गुरमीत है। इस साल हमने आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग के सहयोग से हमने कुछ प्लांटेशन ड्राइव लद्दाख में चलाई थे, जो कि लद्दाख आमची सभा के अपना लैंड था उसके ऊपर किया, जो कि काफ़ी टाइम से बैरन था। हमारा इसमें दो मकसद था, एक तो जो हमारा एरिया है उसको ग्रीन करना था, और दूसरा हमें जितने भी उसमें से जड़ी बूटियाँ निकलेंगे अपने जो सेंट्रलाइज हमारा एक फार्मेसी है उसमें यूज़ करने के लिए हमने इसकी स्थापना की थी।
So we also conducted various workshops, the Art of Living programs, the Yes Plus programs, the Happiness programs, the Utkarsh Yoga programs, the Medha Yoga programs. Especially during the COVID times, online Utkarsh and Medha Yoga programs were conducted in many schools, and students had an amazing experience. That was a time of stress. That was a time when especially teenagers were facing a different kind of uncertainty, a different kind of stress inside them. So that time these programs came as a lot of support to them. And we also conducted specific women-centric programs, like women's special programs or organizations.
I jongdar bekane phantos chikte udugyaleng daksangata pomu mangpo jiga daksangata thakshe de BP juice de thyroid juice de sugar juice de shkodwale teni I yoga continue bod nangata te chos gun marto si metkan chachi singata zugang faidang phantok sang dugyalekas.
There all the women came together, and when they had the program they found it something really amazing for their own health and their physical, mental and emotional health. Something I feel as a women, generally women in our community or in our society ignore those kind of things. So these workshops were conducted in colleges, in schools, in different organizations, and we also had online COVID care programs by the Art of Living, which were open to the public, and so many people from across the different areas of Ladakh, they joined the COVID care program, and they had benefit out of these programs.
Hello, I'm Nargis Khatun from Imam Mission School and I study in class 10th. So कोविड के टाइम पे हमारा एक आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग की तरफ से एक वर्कशॉप, मेगा वर्कशॉप था, जो स्पेशली हमें ऑनलाइन कोविड के टाइम पे हमें बहुत यूज़फुल था, बिकॉज हमें ऑनलाइन स्टडीज़ इश्यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा थे, स्टडीज़ पे बहुत प्रेशर्स थे, एंड हमारा एग्ज़ाम्स भी ऑनलाइन हो रहा था, एंड हम लोग को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ भी हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा नहीं कर पा रहे थे. सो हमें उस वर्कशॉप में हमें मेडिटेशंस, योगा करना सिखाए, एंड which make my mind free and peaceful.
Art of Living Foundation and the Shri Shri Rural Development Program, they have started a skill center in Leh, near the Jamyang School. So this is in collaboration. The partner organizations are Snyder and Jaguars. It is one of the best skill center here, which provides the electrician training, solar electrician training, and plumbing training to the youth of Ladakh, and help them to get jobs, improve their skill sets in the availability of the best facilities.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Afzal. I am the trainer of the SSRDP Shri Shri Rural Development Program. तो इन लैब हमने एक पूरा लैब का इधर सेटअप किया. ये हमारी सोलर की लैब है जिसमें नए नए टूल्स हैं